1 minute to learn how to buy the whole house furniture in Foshan online. Compared to buying the furniture locally, you will save the cost like porch and benny. As a luxury house owner or interior designer, have you ever struggled with where to buy the cost-effective furniture? Click like and save it in case you can't find me. As a professional high-end furniture family factories in 30 years, you must watch this following process. First, check out our official website and TikTok and YouTube accounts to find the furniture style you like. If you still don't know your favorite styles, please click our bio link to talk to us. It will be selected through the pictures and video first, and then we can choose what kind of materials and size you like. If you need the whole house furniture matching service, you can send us the floor plan, side pictures, and the renderings from the architects. We have professional interior designers team here. Based on your needs, we will provide you with the most professional suggestions in terms of furniture factors, comfort, and style matching. After confirming the products, how you see our factory's detailed process through video calls. There are 5 factories, 5 production lines in our family, and there are countless styles you can find. Most of the style you want can be found in our ChiuChiu Furniture's website and account. Second, choose the furniture service you want and tell us your budget range. Our minimum orders is $10,000. If you're ordering more than $30,000, the interior design fee can be deducted. Foshan is the largest gathering place of sourced furniture factories in the world, but the products are uneven. It takes a lot of time to find the right furniture. Compare the same quality the furniture in your countries. Here, at least 50% to 80% cheaper with us. If you don't have interior designers, don't worry. We can also provide different interior design service packages. From modeling to rendering to production, what you see is what you get, ensuring landing efficiency, saving your time and energy. Of course, if you are free, you are welcome to go to our Foshan family factories and experience furniture's tour. What's more, you can also know about Foshan culture and enjoy Shunde cuisine at the same time. If you want to save your time and traveling costs, we suggest you to choose our online purchase service. After you choose the right furniture, before the shipment, our team will help you to check the furniture's packages through videos and pictures. Generally speaking, the more high-end furniture, the production period is longer. It takes 45 to 60 days after you place the order. After confirming there's no problem, we'll help you to find a reliable logistic and send it to your home and install it all in one package, perfectly solving your worries. My mission is to help you spend less money to buy better furniture. I'm Jack. I'm waiting for you in Foshan. Follow me, go to my homepage, click my bio link to contact us.